Tagalog to English translation. Kung makalimutan ko, ipaalala mo sa akin. Kung makalimutan ko, ipaalala mo sa akin. If I forget, remind me. If I forget, remind me. Kung gusto mo, sasamahan kita. Kung gusto mo, sasamahan kita. If you want, I'll go with you. If you want, I'll go with you. Hindi ko alam kung alam niya. Hindi ko alam kung alam niya. I don't know if he knows.